gonna see dolphins again.
I love that. That's cool.
We don't know what you're talking about.
Keep it up,
Doesn't
James.
really
It's
work,
working.
does it?
No.
Look, he's right here. Right here to the left. He's right, like 10 feet from you.
Oh, there he's right. He's on your butt.
Yep, there he is, right there. Coming in between us.
Get underwater shot. Oh, there he is. There he is.
There he is.
Here he is, right here, underneath us. Oh, that's cool. He winked at me.
Oh, nice.
That was sweet.